Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jason Lau, running for Executive Vice President. So I would like to start with what is an Executive Vice President? For me, Executive Vice President is the bridge between the President, the EVPs, the VPs, and the JOs. Also, an EVP assures the success of the activity. It works side by side with the President in order to achieve this. And I have certain ideas on how to apply this. So in quality activities, first we need a plan, do, check, act. A plan, do, check, act will help the assurance of the quality of the activity and the success of the activity. First, plan. In planning the activity, kailangan nandun yung mga officers para mag-brainstorm at maayos yung mga idea. At especially, nandun rin yung officers in charge para hindi yung nagkakagulo at align yung ideas ng mga officers nun. At kapag nasa activity na, hindi sila magkakagulo. So, do. Kailangan gawin na yung mga requirements ng activities such as parang maghanap ng mga speakers, mag-reserve ng mga venues para ready na siya sa activity. Tapos, check. Check muna bago yung activity itself. Kasi, paano kapag nagka-problema? At least ahead of time, makikita na yung problema. Tapos, kapag sa activity na siya, na implementing, minimum na yung chance na magka-problem. But, we shouldn't forget evaluation and evaluation. Kasi, after the activity, we need to reflect on how we did. Kung may mga problems ba, at ma-improve ba natin yung pag-execute natin dun sa activity para in the future, mas maayos yung gagawin. Next is strengthening the bond between committees. I see an opportunity in strengthening the committees by collaborated projects and to make sure that each activity committees wants to achieve a common goal. And how? So, this starts with the EP. In planning sa EP, kailangan nagko-collaboration, enjoying, having fun, and while thinking about the quality of the activity. So, pagkatapos nito, magka-cascade down siya sa VPs, EVPs, and JOs until na maging part na to ng culture natin. Next is the JO system. Gusto ko ma-implement yung old JO system na sa isang committee lang yung nakafocus yung isang JO. Pero, pag may nakita tayong potential dun sa JO na to, pa-explore or pa-explore na lang siya sa committee na yun through attending some meetings and helping in some little ways for that committee para kapag sa JO na to, nandun siya sa committee of choice niya, pero at the same time, nade-develop yung hidden talent or skills niya. Next, thinking outside the box. Kailangan open tayo sa mga changes at open din tayo sa mga ideas for improvement. Kasi nga, IE tayo and there's always a better way. Everyone's ideas and opinions matters. An idea made by many might be greater than an idea by a single person. Tapos kapag nag-brainstorm tayo, hindi lang officers. Kailangan, pinoconsider natin din yung members. Kasi nga, the org is built to serve the members. Kaya bawal sila makalimutan. They are the life of the organization. Also in planning, kailangan yung perspective ng members ina-count din natin. Kasi nga, yung activities natin, para nga sa mga members yun, kung paano sila mag-interact with each other and having fun. So, in this passion have been fueling me these past 3 years to serve MES. And hopefully, I will be able to serve it once more. So I would like to end with A quote, a great leader's courage to fulfill his vision comes from passion, not position. In love. Thank you.